Hello guys, welcome back and it's a boy doing now again. And I don't know if you can hear me, but I guess you can actually hear me. So right now guys, I just want to show you guys how you can actually make money online right now. As a complete beginner on the online space. Right now as you can see, you are seeing my screen right now, you're seeing my phone screen. And first of all, I want to give you guys three platforms, three ways you can actually make money online. Um as as in a long-term income for yourself, like really long-term income for yourself. With that being said guys, without any further ado, as you can see here, I'm just literally in my home and trying to shoot video for you guys. And please encourage me by hitting the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you can get notified by YouTube whenever any money making video is being published to this channel. With that being said guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So right now guys, and the first one on my list is actually called blogging. I'm sure most of you have actually heard about blogging before, and right now I want to actually talk more about blogging, and that's literally the first one and literally the oldest method for you to actually make money online, and it is the most lucrative one for you to make money online. It is the most lucrative business you can actually do on the online space, literally, to make money for yourself. With that being said guys, let's get into first of all, let's go to our Google Chrome browser so we can show you guys. I just want to make this video kind of blogging means, and it's literally like writing or just literally passing informations online to actually get to get a particular audience or something guys. And literally, if you actually come to the online space, you search for blogging or blog, or what blogging means on Google, it will actually tell you what it literally means. And first of all, how you can actually start your blogging. As you can see here, say how can I start blogging. Right now, first of all, you just go to create a blogger, like literally sign into Blogger. And to create a blog, you just need to sign into Blogger. On the left, click on the down arrow and create a new blog, create a new name for your blog, click next, choose a blog address or URL, click save. Literally, let's jump into how to actually build a blog for yourself so you can actually do this. And now I don't think I was actually making this video that long. I didn't literally want this video to be that very long, but if you want a full tutorial on how to actually create a blog for yourself for free guys, just let me know in the comment section. And I'll give you guys that video for you to actually make a full blog and for yourself for free, and you start making cool cash for yourself. Literally, for you will need to upgrade it. Let me just tell you guys from here, you will need to actually upgrade the blog. And literally, let's jump into the second one. So the second one on my list is actually tutoring or becoming a tutor, literally becoming a tutor. Now, who is a tutor? Let's go to Google and search for who is a tutor. Literally, I don't even need to search. A tutor is actually a teacher or someone that teaches a particular thing, and either online or offline. That's just the layman language or what a tutor actually is. Right now, guys, let's jump into how you can actually become a tutor and get paid. Literally, you can become a tutor, teach anything. You can teach English language, you can teach even pidgin languages, and so on and so forth, and you get paid. Now let's go to fiverr.com, or literally I do have Upwork on my phone and also Fiverr. So first of all, let's go to Upwork, or let's go to Fiverr. Upwork is actually my main source. So let's just go to Fiverr, and as it actually is opening up right now, please don't forget to hit the like button. It helps us with the YouTube algorithm. So right now, let's just search for, yesterday I made a video about mathematics, or how you can actually teach mathematics and get paid. If you want to actually get that video, please just hit the left side of this video, just actually click it up and you'll watch that for yourself. And let's actually teach mathematics teacher. Let's just search for mathematics teacher. Okay, so as you can see here, it's a tutor you in mathematics, $30 per, just literally his starting point or his starting gig. The first one he actually has here is actually $30, and literally there are 3 gigs. There are 3 grades on Fiverr. So literally, this is first one 30 gigs, and this is another person here that his starting point is actually $5, $5, $5, $5, $20, $30, $5, $50, depending on how you are actually good in mathematics. Now let's go to teaching pidgin English or something, or let's just go to English teacher. Now, as you can see here, all these are English teachers teach you English or Korean conversation. Now, this one is actually her starting point is actually from $15 and above. Right now, this second one is actually $15, $5, $5, $10, $20, $10, $15, $5, $15, $15, 15, 5, 5, 5, 15, 25, 25, 10, so on and so forth. And you are literally going to be getting paid if you actually sign up on Fiverr, on Upwork, and you do this for yourself. So literally, let's jump into the same on Upwork and to show you guys. Please, if this video is actually getting long, I am literally very, very sorry. And literally, I don't even need to, I think I don't joke with Upwork. So guys, the next one on my list, I've actually talked about being a tutor. You can literally teach anything on the online space, and the places which you can actually teach are Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer.com, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and so on and so forth. And you can actually create a course and publish it, and you start making money for yourself, literally. So the first one on my list is actually blogging. The second one is being a tutor, and the third one on my list is no other one but affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is actually selling other people's products to get a commission or cut out of that particular sale. Right now, let's jump into what. Okay, let me just give you guys the literal language or what affiliate marketing is actually is. First of all, even you being a blogger or being a YouTuber, you can actually be an affiliate marketer also. Now, literally, if you come to YouTube videos, and I wouldn't actually be using my own as a case study, but if you go to YouTube videos, just search for anything, Daniel's Hustle, Online Hustle TV, Franklin Emmanuel, so on and so forth. Just check out their even mine also. You can check out the descriptions. You can see so many links there. Most of them are actually Amazon links, affiliate links, so on and so forth, that when you buy, you are actually getting paid. You are going to be getting a commission out of it. You, the person that puts it, or you, the owner of the account, or the owner of the link, literally. So that's it, and you make money for yourself. I don't literally want to jump, but if you want a full tutorial on any one of these topics, just comment down in the comment section. Tell me which one you actually want the most, and the first one will actually get in my next video, and that's what I'm going to be talking about next. With that being said, guys, and without any further ado, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you all on the next one.